Trinamool Congress is facing rising internal dissent. Amid massive anger over Kolkata's doctors' rape and murder at the RG Kar Hospital, Trinamool Congress's Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament Jawahar Sarkar has resigned in protest over Mamata government's inaction in the horrifying crime. In a scathing letter to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Sarkar, who is also a former CEO of the government broadcaster Prasar Bharati, slammed Mamata Banerjee for not intervening in the doctors' protest. In his resignation letter, he criticized the state government's delayed and insufficient punitive actions, noting that public outrage against Trinamool Congress is growing. Additionally, Sarkar called out rampant corruption within its own party, accusing local TMC leaders of accumulating wealth without accountability.
In many states, we did not name them, but we know that state after state, political party after political party, MPs, MLAs are all accused of being totally corrupt. This disease has caught on in Bengal, and Bengal is not in a position to accept it. So please try to understand that the people of Bengal have been brought up in a different culture, and they are unable to stomach the amount of corruption they see all around.
TMC is taken aback by the sudden rebellion and has been on the back foot.
उनके ऊपर कोई कमेंट नहीं है और उनका जो कंटेंट है उसका कई जगह पे हम लोग भी सहमत है, लेकिन हम लोग का स्टैंड है इस टाइम में हम लोग पार्टी में रहकर दीदी के अंडर में, अभिषेक के अंडर में ये लड़ाई हम लोगों का भी लड़ाई है.
The BJP seized upon this internal blow to the TMC and accused West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Kolkata Police Commissioner of allegedly destroying evidence linked to the RG Kar case. The Bharatiya Janata Party also demanded the release of call records and even suggested a polygraph test for both to ensure transparency in the investigation.
If you go through the resignation letter of Mr. Jawahar Sarkar, you will be know that you will be knowing that he has resigned by giving the reason behind this resignation. One of them are this corruption, and as well as the mishandle of RG Kar incident. We feel that this RG Kar incident is nothing but it is a cover up of they have tried to cover up the whole corruption that is running in the system of the health ministry.
Meanwhile, the polygraph test of the primary accused in the case, Sanjay Roy, has added new layers to the investigation. Interestingly, during the test, Sanjay Roy denied any involvement in the rape and murder, maintaining his innocence. According to Roy, he fled after discovering the body of the victim lying in the hospital's seminar hall. Will the primary accused's sensational claim add more twist to the rape and murder investigation?